In the world of team building, especially white-collar, corporate-savvy team building, you have all kinds of people. You have people with high energy that want to kinetically do something with their body, and you got people that are left brain, very cerebral, and maybe a little bit on the introverted side. So in this team building package, we have something for everyone. This is playback, memory game. It's designed very much to just be a mental, cerebral game. This is minor, low kinetic, and this is a fun game that is just more trivial than anything, and that's the goal, is to make this easy and fun. This game here, our reaction attraction, this is very high kinetic movement and reaction based. A lot of fun to watch and a lot of fun to play. For those that have soccer skills, we have a soccer game that allows them to participate in kicking. This is actually harder than it looks. All right, and as we go through, we have all kinds of games for, again, all kinds of people. So this is our axe throw, another fun trivial game. Everyone wants to throw an axe. This is the safe version of throwing an axe. And they get scored, they get a silver, they get a gold, they get a bronze based on the performance. And over here is the frisbee toss, a little more traditional, but again, you don't have to be, you can have current neck and back injuries and be okay playing that game. Now this is very kinetic. This is gladiator joust. This is for the crazies that want to get out there and really plummet each other. And it's a fun game, it's very physical, a lot of kinetic energy is used to have fun in that. This over here is our hoop shot, another one like soccer. Everyone knows how to shoot a basketball. It's a friendly game that makes people feel like they're doing something fun and having a good time. And then in this far corner over here, it barely fitted in here, but this is our bungee run, another very physical game. This is our 9th station, very physical, a lot of energy. The right kind of person will love this. Over here we have a bow and arrow game where they're actually shooting bow and arrow. And for those that are not savvy with wanting to shoot a bow and arrow, we have our skee ball. Very easy to roll a skee ball and have fun there. And even an easier version is our ring toss. And then our golf chip challenge over here. That's traditionally for the white collar crowd that have golfers, which is this crowd is perfect for that. And next to that is our table tap. And table tap, a little bit of cerebral, but a lot of kinetic action. And then our last station, station 15, is our mega wire. It's a fun, steady hand game. Again, a little bit of left brain, a little bit of right brain, but you'll notice we've balanced all the activities to be from aggressive to passive to introvert to extrovert to loud to quiet. Something for everyone to have the teams have a wonderful experience in this very quick, high energy, Olympic themed team building activity.